The Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology was previously part of the Faculty of Agriculture as Agricultural Technology. In 2005, the Agricultural Technology at the Faculty of Agriculture changed to the Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology. And we can get more about the details directly from our speakers. So, for the Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology, time is yours.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay. Thank you for your invitations. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Robi Andoyo. I'm the Vice Dean for Academic Affairs at the Faculty of Agro-Industrial Technology. And today's, I also invite some of the staff from our faculty. I would like to introduce Pak Handarto. Pak Handarto is the head of internationalizations of the faculty. And we also invite some of the students in our faculty who has experience to follow our international activity. Some of them are Arnitya Rena. So Arnitya Rena is the delegate Youth Eco-Prosperity Dialogue in 2019 by Temasek Foundations International and US in Singapore. The second one is Miss Ayat. Miss Ayat is the master student of Agro-Industrial Technology. And the third is Miss Mega. Mega is also the master students of the Faculty of Agro-Industrial Technology. So all these three students, they will share the experience how to elaborate in our international activity. So I would like to give this talk into two parts. The first part, I would like to share a short video profile of our faculty. And after that, I will introduce some of the internal activity by sharing the PowerPoint. So please allow me to share the video. Can I share the video? Okay. Okay. Just a moment, I have to choose where's the video.
Fakultas Teknologi Industri Pertanian Universitas Padjadjaran atau FTIP Unpad adalah perguruan tinggi yang tepat untuk belajar untuk menjadi kompeten dalam bidang teknologi industri pertanian. Eksistensi FTIP Unpad telah dikenal luas dalam memenuhi banyaknya kebutuhan akan sarjana teknologi industri pertanian untuk berbagai industri pertanian, khususnya dalam agroindustri. Dan FTIP Unpad merupakan fakultas pertama yang memperoleh sertifikasi ISO 9001-2008 di lingkungan Universitas Padjadjaran dan fakultas yang berbasis teknologi. Dengan kurikulum perguruan tinggi terbaru, konsep pembelajaran FTIP Unpad meliputi mata kuliah, praktikum, kuliah kerja nyata, seminar, praktek kerja lapangan, field trip, serta penelitian dengan suasana yang menyenangkan. Dilengkapi dengan fasilitas ruang kuliah yang nyaman, perpustakaan, student center, studio komputer, laboratorium, bengkel logam dan kayu, e-learning, serta area hotspot. Fakultas Teknologi Industri Pertanian Unpad melengkapi program pendidikannya dengan kegiatan ekstrakurikuler serta organisasi kemahasiswaan yang dapat merangsang kreativitas untuk meningkatkan kesejahteraan mahasiswa serta masyarakat di sekitarnya. Dengan staf dosen yang merupakan lulusan dari berbagai perguruan tinggi terkemuka di dalam dan luar negeri, FTIP Unpad berkomitmen untuk menghasilkan lulusan yang kompeten, profesional, terpercaya, berdedikasi serta mampu mengintegrasikan teknologi dengan lingkungan. FTIP Unpad memiliki beberapa program studi, yaitu program sarjana S1 dengan program studi Teknologi Pangan, Teknik Pertanian, dan Teknologi Industri Pertanian, serta program Pasca Sarjana, yaitu program Magister S2 dengan program Magister Teknologi Agroindustri. Para lulusan FTIP Unpad diproyeksikan untuk menguasai technopreneurship dan kewirausahaan, serta memilih berbagai profesi yang saat ini banyak diperlukan berbagai perusahaan di dalam dan luar negeri, seperti Manager Research and Development, Manager Quality Control, Manager Operasional, dan Information Technology untuk industri pertanian dan pangan. Selain itu, juga ada konsultan teknik, konsultan gizi, bidang IT, instansi pemerintah, perkebunan, dan banyak lagi. Selain itu, sarjana teknologi pertanian dari FTIP Unpad dapat melanjutkan pendidikan ke jenjang S2 dan S3 di berbagai perguruan tinggi di dalam dan luar negeri. Sampai saat ini telah banyak kerjasama yang telah FTIP Unpad bina seperti dengan KOICA Korea Selatan, Chiba University Jepang, Universitas Malaysia Terengganu, berbagai instansi pemerintahan seperti BPOM, Pemda Jawa Barat, berbagai Pemda lainnya, serta berbagai perusahaan besar di Indonesia. Fakultas Teknologi Industri Pertanian Universitas Padjadjaran, Jalan Raya Bandung Sumedang, Kilometer 21, Jatinangor 40600. Telepon 022 779 8844 atau fax di 022 779 5780 atau klik di website kami www.ftip.unpad.ac.id.
I would like to further introduce our faculty, focusing on the international program. Okay, so so can you see the slides?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the name of our faculty, the English name of our faculty, Faculty of Agro-Industrial Technology. This is the visions of our faculty. So we commit that we will be able to compete at the national, regional, and international level in 2026. And this is the missions of our faculty. I'm not going to mention one by one, but you just read it briefly. Currently, in our faculty, we have 57 lecturers, and 4 of them hold the professor degree. And some of the lecturers also graduated from the university overseas, such as from Japan, Australia, Germany, France, and UK. So it's quite small faculties, because actually our faculties was established in 2005. Previously, our faculty is part of the Faculty of Agriculture. So it's quite young age for a faculty. But we try to improve our human resource and also our service. As already mentioned in the video, that we have 3 study program for bachelor. The first one is agriculture engineering. So agriculture engineering is a study program which is study about all the engineering aspect of agriculture. So in this study programs, it consists at least for field of study, yeah, system, soil and water engineering. There is also agriculture machinery and post-harvest technology. The second one for bachelor study program is food technology. Food technology is widely known in Indonesia. This study program also consists of at least 4 field of study, chemistry, food microbiology, food engineering, and also food processing. And the last one for bachelor study program is agro-industrial technology. So this is the youngest one because this study program was established in 2009, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So this is also a part of our faculty who studied about the management part of the industrial technology. And currently we have 2 master program, Master of Agro-Industrial Technology and Master of Agriculture Technology. And starting from 2019, our faculty also have one of the doctoral program, Doctor of Agro-Industrial Technology. So actually in our faculty, we have 6 study program from bachelor and postgraduate study. Our faculty also the first faculty in Universitas Padjadjaran who got the ISO certifications. We're proud of it because we are the first faculty in a university. Yeah? Although we are the youngest one, but we can show that we can achieve this prestigious achievement. Okay, this is the enrollment capacity of our bachelor study program. So each year we receive approximately 100 students for agriculture engineering study program and approximately 120 students for food technology and 60 students for agro-industrial technology. So all of these students we selected from 3 different selections, yes. SNMPTN consists of 30% of the total new students. SBMPTN is 50% and SMOOF 20%. So this is the the important part that I want to share with you, that our faculty has several international activities. Some of them are the academic engagement. So, for example, we have a joint supervision program with some of the foreign university, such as University College Cork in Ireland. We also have a collaboration with University Malaysia Terengganu, University Kebangsaan Malaysia, University Malaysia Sabah, and University Teknologi Mara. Many of Malaysian university collaborate with FTAP because this is probably for the geographical reason, because Malaysia is quite near from Indonesia. So many of our students also want to get an experience how to study abroad, at least in our neighboring country. We also have a guest lecture program. We try to organize this kind of activity regularly, at least once in a semester. So, for example, we have a guest lecture from University Mara, from University of the Philippines, Kasetsa University, and also from Tsukuba University of Japan. Pak Rangga probably knows about him, because we invite some of the researchers from Tsukuba. And some of our researchers also have an opportunity to share their knowledge in abroad university. For example, Mr. Bambang Nurhadi, Pak Bambang has an opportunity to go to Shenzhen University in China to share their knowledge. They teach the students in food technology at that university a few years ago. We also have a student exchange program. For example, since 2017, we have a collaboration with University of Malaysia Terengganu. some of our students sent to Malaysia to do the practical, to do the internship in UMT, and also to do research. And for University Malaysia Sabah also, we send of some of our students to do their final assessment in Malaysia. And we also receive some of the students from UMS. Yes, they come here and they study in our faculty for several months. And in 2018, we receive also some of the students from the KAZNAU, from Kazakh National Agrarian University. This is part of the student exchange programs. So the students from KAZNAU, they take approximately 20 credits in our faculty, and they stay here for 6 months to take that credits. And after that, they continue to study their bachelor in KAZNAU. This is a very interesting collaboration with KAZNAU. Unfortunately, we plan to send our students also to KAZNAU, but unfortunately, at the time there is a problem with the permissions. Yes, from if I'm mistaken, from the international officer in KAZNAU. But we try to renew the collaboration with KAZNAU. So a few weeks ago, I communicate with some of the staff in international relations in KAZNAU, and we try to renew the memorandum of understanding between Unpad and KAZNAU. So hopefully, in the next coming semester, our students can go to KAZNAU and take some credits from that university as part of the student exchange. We also have a research engagement with some international institutions. For example, we have a collaboration with Siagas in Ireland, the Agriculture and Food Development Authority in Ireland. We also have the International Partnership of Innovation and Smart Apiculture Management. This is part of the EU Horizon program, 2020. We also have a cooperation with Yanmar company. It is the tractors company from Japan. So Pahandarto will explain more detail about these cooperations. This is very interesting because we can share the knowledge between university and the industry. So this is, I think, the very good collaboration between higher education and industry. Shenzhen University and the University of Kuala Lumpur also part of the research collaborations with our faculty. And some of our staff also, they made publications in international journal. For example, we have a collaborations with the Indian Institute of Technology, with MIDFT in India and University of New South Wales. So some of our research, they collaborate with a broad university to supervise the PhD or master students, and they publish the paper together. This is some of picture that I want to show you that we have many activities by involving the foreign students. For example, here this is the activity when some of the students from KAZNAU come to our faculty a few years ago, and we bring them to our activities, our sports activities, our academic activities. And here at the bottom, I show you also the international seminar that we held together with our abroad university. Some of the guests, the invited speaker, they come to Unpad and share their knowledge in our international seminar. We also have general lectures. General lectures usually held at the beginning of the semester by inviting the international speakers. For example, a few months ago, we invite the researcher from University of Reading, UK, and also the researcher from University Kuala Lumpur. They share the knowledge in our international seminar and also continue with the collaboration between the two universities. This is the activity also held by our staff. Yeah, this is one of our staff, Pak Dwi Purnomo. So he has the project from the EU. We call it EU Horizon. So this is the SAM project by involving the international institutions to develop the model how to establish the bee farming in the city. Yeah, I think. So we collaborate and also we ask many students to join in this program so they can get the experience and also work with international collaborators. This is just want to show you the facilities that we have in our faculty. So for those who are familiar with our faculty, this is the building of the Dean buildings. Yeah, this is the laboratory building. So we actually this is a new building, yeah, because we received the loan from the International Islamic Development Bank. Yeah, so actually this is a quite new building and also equipped with all furnitures and also laboratory equipment. We also have our own library and also our academic services building, the IT laboratory, and we also have our own mosque, yeah, for students, for the Muslim students, so they can use the facility, the public facilities in our faculty. And in the upcoming semester, we also plan to build a student center. So this is the design that we have already agreed with the developer. Yeah, actually, this is designed by our students by the competitions. So probably the next coming semester, hopefully we will have the student center. So this is the prospect of our graduates. As already mentioned in the video, that some of our graduates, they can work as a general manager, productions manager, marketing, process developer, packaging expert, food quality control, ingredient technology, business analyst, journalists, and civil servants. So this is quite various prospect actually for our graduates. And according to our study, that the average job waiting period for our graduate is approximately 4 to 6 months. I think it's a good start here for our faculty. So this is the motto of our faculty. Yeah, the motto of our faculty. So FTIP. F is for focus, T is for trust, I for the integrity, and P for professional. So hopefully our graduate, they can have those kind of characters. I think that's the short introductions of our faculty. Hopefully we can discuss further in our discussion sessions. And Pak Handarto and also the other students who are joining in this occasion can share also with all of you. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir, for the explanation. It is very interesting, and I'm also from the Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology, majoring in food technology. And for all of you that watch in our YouTube video, it's very interesting to study here because you will also learn about soil and water engineering, food microbiology, about industrial processing technology too. And I think, like you mentioned before, you have some of students and another lecture. I think we will give them to share about their experience, sir.
Yes, I can invite Ayat probably to. So Ayat is the students from Sudan. So she take the master master study, Master of Agri-Industrial Technology. So Ayat, can you please share your experience how to study in our faculty, please?
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Ayat. I am from Sudan. I'm studying in Universitas Padjadjaran University, Faculty of Agriculture Industrial Technology, Department Food Science, Program Study Agro-Industrial Technology. I will tell you my experience about studying and living to Indonesia. All students outside Indonesia want to study here in Indonesia has many questions, such as why did you choose Indonesia and how to get a scholarship in Indonesia and how did you know about the scholarship? Why did you choose Padjadjaran University? Are there difficulties in learning language Indonesia and how to live in Indonesia? So I will tell you my experience about studying and living in Indonesia. I got a scholarship for one of the Arab countries before come to here in Indonesia. But I chose Indonesia for two reasons. The first reason, Indonesia is a developed country in the field of higher education and scientific research. And second reason, to acquire a new culture and a new language. How did you know the scholarship and how to get a scholarship in Indonesia? My friends told me that there is a scholarship in Indonesia and they sent me the application link. I prepared the required documents and upload them of the website with the help of my husband and my friend. I choose the University Padjadjaran despite there is some specialization in other universities in Indonesia, such as Bogor. But I choose Padjadjaran University because my husband belajar, my husband studied in Padjadjaran University in my faculty, Technology Industry Pertanian, Agriculture Industrial Technology. And there are many, my friends also studied in my faculty. My husband and my friend told me studying in Padjadjaran University is good, and teachers and students very good, and also told me they are cooperative and help students. So I choose Padjadjaran University, Faculty Technology Industry Pertanian. In the learning, during the first week in the language is somewhat difficult. But after 1 month and two, it's easy, very easy. Then after that, you can speak the language and use it to communicate in the street the market and with friends. After the end of the study in Indonesian language, you will go to study in your faculty. In the first week, also it is difficult, but then it is easy with the help teachers and friends in class. The teachers use the Indonesian language in class, but most of the teachers present slide material by English. At first, I had some concerns because of the different language, but after short period of learning Indonesian language, I became able to communicate, and life began easy and enjoyable. In my faculty, there are many laboratorium. There are many devices. Such as ozone, which is two universities in Indonesia. Okay, there are library in my faculty, and there are special office for master student to study here. This is my experience of study and living in Indonesia. I want to thank you very much for all my teachers and students in my faculty. Thank you. Terima kasih. Syukran.
Thank you, Ayat, for very nice introductions of your experience. So I would like to also invite one of our bachelor students. Yeah, so Ayat is the master students. So I would like to invite Arnitia Rena. Yeah, Arnitia Rena is the bachelor student. So she also has an experience to study in our faculty and also has the opportunity to go abroad. Please, Arnitia, can you? Okay.
Thank you, sir. Hello, my name is Arnitia. I'm a final year student of Food Technology Department in bachelor degree. My experience about study abroad is kind of a student exchange, short student exchange, but it's held in Singapore. I chosen from as an Indonesian delegate with another participant, 100 participants from across the world, mostly in ASEAN, in Singapore. We're mainly talking about sustainability. This topic is also teach in our university, in the campus school. And there I have an opportunity to sit in a class in National University of Singapore. Not only that, I able to visit some company and understand the big picture of what they're doing as a company, their problem, and there's kind of a challenge when I need to have a business proposal and kind of presented it in front of the CEO to show my ideas and solution regarding to the problems. And moreover, I also have an offer to join an conference with another professional company like a World Bank. I'm also met the Minister of Environment in Singapore. We're talking about international issue and broaden our networking regarding the ASEAN and international scope. And all of this opportunity how in the first place I able to know this? It because our faculty, our campus provide us some information about this opportunity in their official social media. You can check it later on. And not only of this exchange, you can also find competition, internship, national and international scope in our social media. And recently, we also have some webinars. Even some organization give us a mentorship, so we can prepare ourselves to join and accept this kind of opportunity to apply for maybe an exchange or scholarship. So for me as a student in this faculty, the environment, the circle is really great for helping me go outside the campus, being active outside the campus and in the campus. Because in the campus itself, there's a lot of organizations, student clubs, and some event organizer that you can develop yourself more there. Maybe that's what my experience during my study in here, sir.
Okay, thank you, Anitya, for sharing the experience. So, I see a lot of questions coming in the chat room. I don't know if we have enough time or not to answer all of these questions.
I think I have to choose several questions because we just only have 5 minutes left for the question and answer.
Wow. Okay.
All right. Maybe I will start for the first question. Is FTIP Unpad has collaboration research as final thesis with another university in foreign country? If yes, how to apply for that?
Yes, of course we have. Yeah, recently we contact the university in Malaysia, University of Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So one of the agreement on that meeting is that we will supervise together the master and the bachelor students from both university. So for sure, this is an opportunity for all students, for bachelor and also for masters to do the research and supervised by the foreign supervisors. How to apply for that? I think the student just contact the head of study program, and the head study program will give you technical informations, how to apply and how to do such kind of collaborations, with foreign university. So now we are going for the assignment of the MOU. Probably in the next few days we will have those MOU, and after that we will start to do the joint collaborations, including the joint supervisions for the thesis. Okay, that's the answer for the questions number one. I also want to invite Pak Handarto. Pak Handarto, Pak Handarto, can you give us a brief information regarding the internationalizations program in our faculty, please, Pak? Pak Han?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Dean. Okay, I will add just a little information about the international collaboration, especially with the Japanese institution, including a private sector and higher education. I will share just. Okay. Wait a minute.
Can you give the access for Pak Handarto to share the screen, please?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Sure.
Can you share your screen right now, sir?
Yeah. Okay.
For Mr. Handarto, if you want to share your screen, you can share it now.
Yes. Can see? Can you see our slide?
Yes, I can see that.
Yes. Yes,
Full screen, Pak.
Yes, I would like to explain briefly. This is one example about how we create the collaboration, especially with the Japanese what can I say, the Japanese institution. Yeah, it's like specific or uniqueness on this is a milestone in YESA, between YESA and Unpad collaboration. I will explain YESA in the next slide. This is YESA, Myanmar Environmental Sustainability Support Association. This is a part of Myanmar Company Limited that had mentioned by Vice Dean. This is for 3 years ago. This kick-off meeting with Myanmar staff who come to Indonesia to attend the international conference. And then the next step is in the same years, in November, MOU signing ceremony between Faculty of Agro-Industrial Technology and Myanmar Corporation Limited. And then the next year we done a feedback meeting in Bandung to discuss how kind of research that we collaborated. And then we receive research funding. This is a research funding ceremony. The director from Myanmar, Mr. Yamakawa, gave this fund to our dean, Dr. Edi Suryadi. Just a little amount, just yes, $15,000, yes, $50,000 US. But this enough amount for us to conduct research, and this is the flow of the research funding. And then, yeah, we also offer the general lecturer. We invite two professors from Japan universities, one from the Kyushu universities, Miss Professor Inoue, and this is Professor Uda from Tokyo University of Agricultural Technology. Okay, please pay attention. This is 3 Japanese, yeah, not 4 Japanese. This is 3 Japanese, me and Dr. Dwi Purnomo, yeah. Okay, this is some student who attended this general lecture. Very, very interactive lecture. Many question, respond given by the student, yeah. To share their experience both in the teaching and conducting research to our students. Yeah, this is one of the title of our collaboration research, design of online decision support system for wetland rice production. And I jump to this schema. Yeah, the mechanism of the proposed system is the farmer when found problem with their rice, for example, adequate in nutritional status or disease, they can send the image by taking a picture with their smartphone, and then send to the server in our university, and then the server process the image with the image analysis system apparatus, and then send the feedback or answer to the farmers. Yeah. For example, the response is their farmer in Cianjur, for example, your paddy is insufficient in nitrogen, and please give more fertilizer to your paddy, for example. Or their farmer in, for example, in Indramayu, West Java, your paddy have the blast. Blast is one of the paddy disease. Yeah, please take treatment as the following. For example, blah 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 blah, something like that. Yeah, this is still a simple mechanism, but we hope it can help our farmer to produce their rice, and of course we need rice too that produced by them. This is the field observation supported by the extension services officer, local agriculture extension office. Yeah. Okay, that's all. My presentation about how we create the collaboration, how to initiate the collaboration with the Japanese institution. Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
thank you, Mr. Handarto, for your explanation. It is a very great project between FT Unpad, and I hope it will go well. So FT Unpad will create a more impact for our society. And I think because
I forget one thing. In this project, some students join this project to complete their what do you call it, the graduation thesis. Yeah. For example, next week we will conduct the final exam for 5 to 7 students who join this project. This is acceleration strategy, to process the graduate. Okay.
All right, thank you so much for the explanation. I hope it goes well for this project. And hopefully, unfortunately, this presentation for Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology is up. Maybe it's time for the faculty to give the closing statement. Please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much. I think what Pak Handarto has already explained hopefully will answer at least more of the questions that I see from the chat room. Yeah. And if you have further questions regarding our faculty, so you can contact us through website, or you can also contact me through email, or also through a mobile number. So don't hesitate to ask us, for a very for your questions, of course, So I would like to close this meeting by saying that we are waiting for the best students, to come to our faculty. So as you see that we have many of facility and also collaborations with institutions, both in national, regional, or internationals. So we are happy to serve you. To do learning process in our faculty, and hopefully we can together reach our goal. We will be the institutions that have a good competitiveness in the national, regional, and international level in 2026. I think that's all from us. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for the closing statement, and I want to say thank you too for the participation from the Faculty of Agricultural Industrial Technology, especially for the student exchange from Miss Panitia and also from Miss Ayat as the international student. And for the questions that we haven't answered yet, you can visit the website at ftip.unpad.ac.id if you still want to know more about ftip Unpad. So thank you so much. And now we will move to the next session. It is with the Faculty of Fishery and Marine Science.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye, sir. Thank you very much.
See you.
See you.